Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to move a file in Mac Finder. We actually have a few different ways to do this. Let's look at the first method. You can simply use your mouse, drag a file, and drop it into a new folder. And just like that, the file is moved. If you change your mind, you can hit Command-Z to undo that action. Now for the second method, using keyboard shortcuts. First, select the file and hit Command-C to copy it. Then, navigate to your new folder and press Option-Command-V. Adding that Option key changes the action from a standard copy, which is just Command-V, to actually moving or cutting the file. Here's a quick note about how macOS handles this. When you drag and drop a file into a new folder, it defaults to moving the file, but only if both folders are on the same drive partition. If you drag and drop between folders that are on different drive partitions, macOS will actually copy the file instead of moving it.